Want to boost your immune system with delicious, simple, easy to make recipes? Today I am sharing two of my favorites, perfect for keeping your body strong and resilient. First up is the Green Immunity Bowl. It's loaded with baked kale, crispy chickpeas, creamy avocado, and a zesty tahini dressing. This bowl is packed with nutrients that support your immune system, like fiber, healthy fats, probiotics from sauerkraut, and it is delicious. Then there's my go-to roasted garlic and tomato soup with roasted tomatoes, garlic, and onion with a touch of thyme and smoked paprika. Blend it all up with some veggie broth, and you have a cozy immune boosting soup ready in no time. Both of these dishes are quick and easy and so good for you. For the full recipes, check out the link in the comments. Stay healthy, stay strong, and don't forget to follow for more immune boosting tips and stay resilient.